Okay, hello to YouTube Nation. We are picking up from where we left off yesterday. We're just doing a couple problems because we know some people are gone. Like Liz. Shout out to Liz. Liz, our homecoming queen. Okay, all right. Who is ready to impersonate Liz? Is anybody ready to impersonate Liz? Okay, all right. Liz, how does it feel to be queen?
Oh my god, I love being the queen.
Okay, so this is Jessica impersonating our homecoming queen. Um, Liz, now as queen, what is going to be your first item of business?
Make the drum line better.
Okay, all right. Liz, if you could kick anybody out of our 6 hour college algebra class, which one would it be?
Jessica Wyland.
Awesome. And finally, Liz, okay, which teacher do you feel is the strongest, most handsome, and most intelligent?
Mr. Haney.
Wow. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Dude. Whatever. Okay. So, in honor of Liz, and we've had so many distractions today due to homecoming that I haven't had full classes. So, I want to make sure that we leave time on Monday for people to be caught up with some of this material. So, we're going to look at problem h of x right now. And what we want to do is we want to simplify f of a plus h minus f of a all over h. And I guess in this situation, it would be h of a plus h. Yes. Sure, and then a minus h of a all over h. That's what we're going to do. Okay. H of a plus h will be 5 times a plus h minus the quantity a plus h squared. So we just put an a plus h in wherever we see an x. After we do that, then we identify h of a, which would be 5a minus a squared. And now we write out our rule. And again, we don't really see the application of this rule. I could tell you that my second year teaching, I would have had, oh, Gigi, who's your oldest? Ella. I would add Ella. And they really struggled with this when they got to calculus. And so the next year in college algebra, I built this practice in. And then from that point on, people did very well with this when they got to calculus. So for those of you who are seniors going off to take calc, the fact that we do this will really help you. And for those of you taking it from me next year, you'll feel like it's a breeze then. So I take the h of a plus h, which is 5 times a plus h, minus a plus h, that quantity squared, minus 5a minus a squared, all over h. Okay, so we'll expand this, and when we do, everything that doesn't have an h should cancel. And being everything that does have an h remains, we should be able to divide out an h. Okay, so that's what we're going to see. All right, so write it out. What do I get? 5a plus 5h minus a squared minus 2ah minus h squared minus 5a plus a squared. Way to go, Natalie. You brought your brain today. Good job. Okay, assuming that it all works out, everything that doesn't have an h should cancel. So what cancels? 5a's are gone. A squareds are gone. Cool. So I'll factor an h out of the top, and I'll get 5 minus 2a minus h all over h. Because it's now written in factored form, I could cancel off the h's, and I get 5 minus 2a minus h. And that is my answer. attach a separate sheet of paper if you want. So we will do K. All right. Last example that we'll do for today. On Monday, as a big day, we'll look at the square roots, and we'll see how that works out. Okay. All right. K of A plus H is 2 over A plus H plus 3. And K of A is 2 over A plus 3. So I will subtract these and divide it by H. 2 over A plus H plus 3 minus 2 over A plus 3 all over H. Oh, it looks like people are remembering something. Oh, do you mean to tell me that I actually thought ahead and prepared you for this? Yeah. I'm not saying I do a good job, but I am saying I do try. Okay, I try to be intentional in helping us be able to do that. So what do I do then? This is a complex fraction. Yeah, I'm going to make one fraction by common denominator. So A plus H plus 3. And A plus 3. So I get 2A plus 6 minus 2A minus 2H minus 6 A plus 3 times A plus H plus 3 all over H over 1, right? So I'll show you when we divide by that H, this will kind of help you save some time. If I do this, if I do, say, A divided by B divided by H, that's like an H over 1, right? So when you multiply by the reciprocal, that H just shows up in the denominator, right? So if I were to divide this by H over 1, that's the same as multiplying by 1 over H, which will just bring an H right to the denominator. So I could just throw that H right in the denominator. What goes away? Can I factor an H out of the top? That'll leave you with a negative 2. And A plus 3 times A plus H plus 3. Those H's will divide. And that's my result. Not too bad, huh? So again, you can expect that if it doesn't have an H, it should cancel, and then the H in the denominator should divide off. That doesn't mean that your expression at the end will not have an H, but it does mean that the one in the denominator will divide off. All right, I'm going to give you guys a worksheet, and you guys, you won't get anything new on Monday. You'll just be able to continue to work on the stuff that we have. All right, Liz, have fun.